We're going to talk about MTHFR and a process called methylation. I'm going to describe to you what cancer is, and you're going to learn about how MTHFR affects your hormones and cancer. So by the time you leave today, I hope you're going to feel more and more comfortable about what exactly MTHFR is. And I know a lot of people really fear cancer, so you'll have an understanding after you leave today or after you listen to this about what you can do to minimize your risks of cancer. So first, genetics 101. So what exactly is DNA? Well, DNA is a double base pair. It looks like a ladder that's wound up like this. And these rungs are made up of these substances: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. So it's amazing that those four substances, any permutation and code, make up the whole genetic code that is responsible for such a complex human being. So I like to think of these as these houses. So just think about each of these places here, or these addresses, as houses on a street, and your street being this strand of DNA. So we talk about a single nucleotide polymorphism, or a SNP. And basically what happens is you have one little base pair, or one house, that is different. Instead of being an A, it turns into something else. So depending on what goes wrong, whether it's just one, if it's one rung of the ladder, you can still climb up. But if it's more than one, it may cause more of a problem with the genetics, and as a result, more of a problem with your bodily functions. So not all SNPs are significant. In this strand of DNA, there's only a small amount here called a coding region that actually gives instructions for the cell to make proteins. So anything there is going to be significant if it's not getting the right instructions. But there may be areas here where you could have genetic differences that don't really mean anything.